Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now in this video I am going to show you some skills of data cleansing. So far we have learned everything related to machine learning, also many topics. But now in this video I am going to show you some tricks and techniques to cleanse the data. See, whenever you receive a data in the format of Excel sheet or the CSV file, you will not get complete data in a meaningful way. The data you have to create it into a meaningful way and meaningful format, and then only you have to work on it. For example, some blank cells are there in the data, so you have to check for those blank cells. There might be some special characters also there in the data, so you have to remove those special characters also. There might be some duplicate rows also there, so you have to remove duplicate rows. So there might be some numerical values with some characters, so you have to check for that also. So you have to do all these things, then only the data will be transformed into a meaningful format, right? And then only you can create the charts and the everything. So let's do it practically. So look at this. This is my sales order data, right? I have downloaded it in the sales data, right? In the format of CSV. I have taken very few, few columns, right? So let's do it. I will create first interactive Python notebook. Interactive Python notebook. Look at this. So now, first of all, our very first task is to import the Pandas library, right? So let me do it. Import Pandas library. So first of all, I will do this here. Import Pandas as PD. Now, second task is to read the data. Now, how to read the data? We have to read the CSV file. Okay. So just hit the enter button and now show the data top 5. Now see, there are so many ways. DF. If I put here DF, all 98 rows are there. And if I put only top 5, so DF dot head. Similarly, DF dot tail, if I make it as tail, then last 5, right? Similarly, if you want to see the description, so we have to write df dot describe. Now look at this, count, total count 98, ID, units sold, unit price, mean, standard deviation, minimum, right? So all these informations are given with the help of commands only. So you need to either you need to memorize it, or either you need to just check it out what command is for what purpose. Now see here, filter by country. Now suppose if I make it as AF equal to filter by country, that's it, right? And then I will make it as, look at this, this is AF, filter by country, right? So I have filtered it by country. Similarly, filter by type also you can do it, filter by type, right? So suppose BF equal to, we are assigning this, right? And now BF, and then I will look at this. So personal care, filter by personal care. So in this way, type equal to personal care. So now look at this. So in this way, we can now just a data cleaning part. Let's come to the data cleaning part, right? So Control C, and then here you will put, okay. Now see here, data cleaning, how to do the data cleaning. Now show missing values, df bracket df dot is any, and then x is equal to 1, and then drop missing values, right? So we have written here df is any, it's a command, right? It's a way of writing syntax. Then we will see here drop missing value. If you want to drop any missing value, then you can run this command, right? After that, check for unique column type, right? Now how to check it for unique column type? So here we have to write down check unique column type, okay? Df dot type dot unique, okay? So look at this, unique. Replace fruits to fruit type. Here you will see find, right? And then data df dot type equal to unique. So first of all, let me show you here. Just a second. Where is that fruit type? Okay. Okay. So now here we can see. Now let's do this. Duplicate data. For now we will check it for duplicate data also. So what we need to do, we just run this command. Now see here, duplicate, df duplicate. Now check record for duplicate with a particular record. Let me remove this bf and ef, then it will work better. Let's remove this data cleansing. Let's come here. Okay, so you will see here country, type, channel, all unique data are there, right? Duplicate is not there. Then you will see here, check for unique column priority. Now for a unique column priority, look at this. Check for unique SCCM, all this. So unique df priority dot unique, all unique values should be there. Then drop fruits. So wherever fruits are there, for example, you will see here. Okay, so here in this way we can drop the duplicate values also, right? We can drop the duplicate values. Now from here duplicate values are removed, right? All the unique values are there. Then export it. Control C. Now look at this here. Now I am going to see here df dot to csv and here let's make it as 2, right? And now you will see here, if I refresh this, look at this, sales clean 2, right? So in this way you can send to PDF also, sorry, CSV also, right? Now you can see here, you can create a new value, new variable also. For example, DF revenue equal to unit sold into unit per unit price, your total cost and all this. And then DF group by country, and then sum, look at this, country and profit. We have calculated country and profit. First, we have created three columns, that is revenue, profit, and total cost, and then it will become, we can extract the data of group by country, profit, group by country, and profit dot sum, reset index, sort value profit, assign value, right? So in this way, you can extract the particular data. Again you can type here like df dot types. So df dot types, these are types. Now here is the profit that we have created. Okay, then we will see here for date time, right? Df date pt dot to date time, and in this way we can see this object, all these ship date, units sold, all these are in float, right? So you can see how we can convert the data. Now you can see here, one more thing is there, group by, right? So group by, let's take it as group by. So copy this. First of all, we have to make it as date variable, right? Okay, so we have taken out the month, we have taken out the day, and now group by month. So in this way we can group by month. Now df dot group by month, profit sum, all this we can make it as pivot also, right? So now df dot group by with the help of id also, right? So what we need to do here, group by id profit and then sum and then reset index and then sort value, that is profit and ascending. Okay, after that you will see here final type of filtering is that, look at this, df country equal to Australia, okay, and then group by country type is beverages, official supplies, then dot aggregate and then units sold, that is the sum, and then sort value, units sold ascending. So in this way, this is the complete process of data cleansing, right? Now this is the complete process of data cleansing, and I also recommend you to watch this once or twice so that you will get an idea. There are so many commands that you can search on net also. So these are the few very important commands that I have explained you. In our next video, we will see some other topic of machine learning and data science. So guys, those who are new, then please subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification of the new videos, and also practice this video 2-3 times so that you will have an idea exactly how the data cleansing is done. Thanks guys, thanks for watching the video.